Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can run N8n locally in your PC. To get started, first download Docker Desktop from the official Docker website. Choose the version that matches your operating system, install it, and then open Docker Desktop. You don't actually need to create a Docker account to use it. Once Docker is running, go to the Images tab, search for N8 Neo or N8n, and pull the image. After the download is complete, create a container by clicking the play button on the image. In the container settings, you can specify a name and adjust the host port. By default, it's set to 5.678, but you can change it, for example, to 5.680 if the default port doesn't work on your system. After that, simply run the container. Go back to the Containers section, where you'll see the new container listed along with its assigned port. Click on it, and N8n will open in your browser. From there, enter your personal details such as your first name, last name, and a password. These will be used to create your admin account. Once that's done, you'll land on the main dashboard, and you're ready to start building workflows with N8n. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.